Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 7, Lesson 6. The objective is that you're going to be able to identify rates and unit rates, and we'll talk about what those are in just a moment. Okay, a rate is just like a ratio. It's comparing something. It's a comparison of two quantities measured in different units. Okay, let me spread that out so you can see it a little bit easier. And an example of that would be like saying 52 miles to 4 gallons. So we went 52 miles using 4 gallons. All right, so a unit rate is a rate with a denominator of 1. Okay, and to change a rate to a unit rate, we divide. Okay, and to do that, we use this symbol. Oops, not that one, this one. And it's read as saying something per. Okay, so right now we have a rate, 75 miles driven in 3 hours. To get it to a unit rate, we have to get it down to one of those things being 1. So to do that, I'm going to take and I'm going to make it into a division problem. So 75 miles driven by 3 hours. So to find out, I want to find out how many miles in 1 hour. And to do that, then I divide by the 3 hours. Well, I know that 75 divided by 3 is 25. So 25 miles per 1 hour. Okay, here we go again. So we're taking 40. We're going to divide it by the 8 hours because I want to find out how many it is for 1 hour. Okay, 40 divided by 8 is 5. So it's 5 bikes sold per hour. Okay, let's try again. 228 divided by 6 will tell us how many on one bus. Okay, so 228 divided by 6. 6 goes into 22 3 times, that's 18. Really bad 6. Let's brace sentence so you can see that better. If I subtract that, I get 4, bring down my 8. 6 goes into 48 8 times. So it's 38 students to one bus. Okay. All right, let's do 144 divided by 3. Okay, so I know, let me go down here, 144 divided by 3. 3 goes in there 4 times, that gives me 12. Subtract to get 24. 3 goes into 24 8 times. So 48 words. Oops, I can't spell today. Words per 1 minute. Sense? All right, let's practice this together. Okay, so again, 140 divided by 5. That's going to give me 140. That goes in there 2 times. Leaves me 40 left over, 28. So it's 28 miles per gallon. Okay, 300 divided by 20. 20 goes into 31 times. That gives me 100 left over divided by 5. 20 is 5. So 15 times 20 is 300. So 15 degrees every minute. My pen is not working well. All right. 234 divided by 9. 9 goes into, let's down here. 9 goes in here 2 times. That gives me 18. That gives me 5, bring down 4. So 6. So 26 points per game. Okay? Okay, do 25 divided by 2. Put it up here first. Goes in there 1 time. That gives me 5 left over. That goes in there 2 times. Gives me 4. 1. Put our decimal, 0, decimal. Goes in there 5. So 12.50 per hour. Okay, great job. All right, now it's your turn to do these 4. I want you to pause the video and then I want you to come back and do these 4. Okay, so 27 divided by 15. We can go in there once. That gives me 15. That'll give me 12 left over. Add my 0. How many 15s are in 120? Let's see. 4 would give us 60. So 8 would give me 120. So it's 18 feet per second. Okay. 42 divided by 12. Let's do that one. That's going to give me 3. That's going to get me 36, which is going to get me 4 or 6 left over. 0 goes in there 5 times. So we're getting 3.5 minutes per song. Okay, let's do the next one. 7 divided by 4. Okay, so 7. 4 goes in there once. Gives me 3. Decimal and 0. Goes in there 7 times. That gets me 28. I'm going to subtract that and get 2 left and bring the 0. It gives me 5. So 1.75 cups per cake. Hear my goobers in the background? Okay, 36 minutes divided by, let's put this 4.5, let's say 4.5, right? Come down here. 4.5. Now remember, we have to move the decimal. So to do that, we have to move this decimal. So this becomes 45. How many times does 45 go into 360? Well, see, 45, I don't know. Let's try it. 45 times 2 is 90. Let's times 6. That would get us 30, carry the 3, 24, 27. That would be enough. What about 45 times 8? That would be 0, carry the 4. 8 times 32 plus that's 36. So it's 8 times. So coming up here, 8 minutes per mile. All right, great job. That's the end of Unit 7, Lesson 6. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft, and I'll see you back here for Lesson 7.